On this episode of Clyde's Cache, we bump into a 19-foot troll that's tearing the roof off a house. Then we track down Geocache 119. So we're at Nordic Northwest. We're going to see a 19-foot tall troll sculpture. The troll was designed by the Danish artist Thomas Dambo, and he makes them all with recycled materials. The Vogelbold Troll Path. Oh my gosh, there it is.
No.
Look. Ah. Fano Creek, port of entry.
I have a suspicion of where it could be. You found it. Thank you. Oh, wow!
Alright, we got a Clyde's Cache sticker rolled up.
Daddy, will you get us